Welcome to the Walking Park, your go-to channel for all things Disney parks.
Whether you're here for insider tips, thrilling ride info, or the best park hacks, we've got you covered.
If you love exploring Disney as much as we do, hit that subscribe button and join our magical adventure.
Trust us, you won't want to miss a single ride.
Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, a classic Disney adventure. If you're looking for thrills combined with Disney's legendary storytelling, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad in the Magic Kingdom is a must-ride. Located in Frontierland, this iconic mine train roller coaster has been delighting guests since its opening in 1980. As you board the runaway train, you're whisked through a haunted gold mining town set in the American Southwest, packed with sharp turns, sudden drops, and breathtaking scenery.
Queue information and line options. Unfortunately, there's no single rider option for Big Thunder Mountain, so you'll need to stick with the main queue unless you opt for other ways to skip the line. But here's the good news. Lightning Lane, formerly known as FastPass, is available for this attraction through Disney Genie Plus, giving you the chance to bypass the regular wait. Wait times. The wait times for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad can vary depending on the time of day and season. In the morning and late evening, you might find shorter waits, typically around 25 to 45 minutes. However, in the afternoon, the line can stretch up to an hour or more, especially during peak times like holidays or summer.
To minimize wait time, consider visiting early in the day or using Disney Genie Plus. Construction and design. Opened in September 1980, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is one of Disney's most beloved attractions.
Designed by legendary Imagineer Tony Baxter, the ride is based on the rugged landscapes of Monument Valley, blending Disney's attention to detail with exhilarating coaster fun. With its intricate rock formations and dynamic ride elements, the mountain stands as a testament to Disney's blend of storytelling and engineering.
Tips for a great experience. 1. Best seat for thrills. If you're looking for the wildest ride, aim for the back of the train. It offers a more intense experience as the momentum pulls you faster around the turns and drops. 2. Night ride magic. For a unique experience, ride at night. The park lights create a new atmosphere, and the ride feels even faster in the dark. 3. Ideal times to ride. If you don't have Disney Genie Plus, try getting in line during parades or fireworks. The wait times tend to be lower. 4. Accessibility. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is suitable for most guests, though it has some moderate drops and turns. Be sure to check height requirements, 40 inches, and safety warnings. So, if you're ready for a thrilling journey through an abandoned mine, strap in, because this is the wildest ride in the wilderness.
The walking park, fun content.